Hello YouTube. We had a tornadoes and flash flood last night, and I wanted to get down here before anybody else. So it's early, and you can see the water is still up pretty high. I thought it would be down by now, but this is the exact best time to be here. And let me see if I need to fix my phone. Okay, lock. All right. But yeah, wanted to get down here and look, be the first one. You know how that is. All my beautiful rocks. Let's see what we can discover. First eyes on it. I got a good feeling. Look at that. That is pink quartz. Beautiful piece. No telling what we're gonna find. But still, there's a look of the draw. I have missed rock hunting so much. There's a nice red one. That could possibly be jasper. That red jasper I found last time looked a lot like that. I'll just check this one out for crystals. I think I may have been mistaken about this stuff. I think the piece that I did find was actually is actually wood with the crystals, because when I started researching it, I found out that there's supposed to be a lot of that here. I've seen something. Oh, look at that. Some spots. Let's check that out. Oh, there's red. That's it. That shines through so well. I can see some fractures and stuff in it, so I won't be taking that one. I'm going to start working this stuff soon. I am trying to figure out where, what, and how to set my equipment up. The best place to make a mess. I always like these nice shaped ones. Yeah, it glows. Got enough of that. If I could just make myself be real still, you really can find some nice stuff. That's not one of them. I got myself so excited on the way because I'm out of the house. It is a little chilly because it is still winter time. Now that's a taker. Let me wash that off. I can't help myself. I'm gonna end up in that water. Hopefully it'll go down quick. I can hear it. And it does sound like, because usually it would be down by now. And I can't help myself. I know it's so weird how humans, we all want what's in there. Like all the good stuff's there. Nothing could be here. I'm gonna search this really well first. I have really found some nice stuff right in here. Different types of petrified wood, different kinds of agates or agatized stuff that's just different from other things. That looks different. Some nice shapes in there. That shows you what that stuff looks like, how it's white on the outside. I keep telling everybody. But then when you, I don't know if y'all can see how that red is inside of that. That looks different. It's not. Because you better believe this was underwater just a few minutes ago. Because we had a storm yesterday and last night. I mean, it came down hard. Even the ponds that there's petrified wood. I can see the shape in it. Oh, there's another one I like. Love these. I'm gonna keep this one. It's my first keeper. I done got to where I really like the little dots. I can't pull up the name in my brain. I actually learned it and said I was gonna remember it, and well, you know, it's all right. Still good. That's unusual. I just really enjoy getting out here and searching after a good storm. Maybe by the time I walk down here a ways, this water will go down because it just goes down really quick. I should have brought a coat. I was in such a hurry to get out. I didn't grab a coat. At least I put my shoes on. I am ready to find something beautiful. Come to me. That's different. Looks like some kind of casting from a limb. Not sure, but I'm not working it. Yeah, this has all been washed out overnight. So we're gonna find something beautiful. I want to check out that spot right there in the middle. But I can tell it's went down since I've been here. That's always good. I'm gonna try not to complain because it's cold. I've really been enjoying my YouTube a lot. Whole lot. I appreciate everybody that's watching and subscribing to my channel. It's wonderful. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day. I hope everybody has a sweetheart. I hope everybody gets a flower and some candy. I'm going to a show. I am in the water because there's no other place to be. That's a beautiful rock. I'm gonna put that back there. I told you, everything that's good is in the water. I'm gonna check this middle spot. Huh. Well, there's a nice one. Yeah. It's got fractures. Let that one go. Oh, I see green. I have to look over my camera to see what I'm looking at. It's amazing how quick these rocks can dry, because just when it comes out of the water just a little bit, it will dry. Just the little pieces sticking out. Just always so amazing. Those good pieces just pop up when you're really not expecting it. So here I am, la 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 la. I'm not expecting anything. Where is it? That's a good one. I am not sure about that, because I know there's going to be some pretty stuff in here. There's something. Yeah, that's what I like. I'm going to start cutting. Those look like fractures, but they're actually healed with chalcedony. I'll keep this one. It's going to look good when I cut that face off. Oh, there's one. Sometimes it helps so much when you got that sunlight. That's got huge fractures all in it. It's a nice rock. And there was a time I would have took that. Well, there's one of my little ones I like so much. I just have a feeling I'm really going to turn these into something really pretty when I work them on that flat cover. But that one's got such a crack in it, I'm going to let it go. I can see all the color and the stripes running in that one. So I'm definitely going to keep that, because that's definitely a glower. Not sure if y'all can see that or not, because I can't see it when I'm trying to show it to you. But I can see spots, the lines, everything that makes you want it. So yeah, that'll be a keeper. Look at that. Yeah, I can tell it's going down already. You can see here where the stream is already stopping in here. Usually I'll walk through there, but with that water being up like that, I'm not going to do that today unless it comes down while I'm here. There should be plenty right here where I'm at. That's something. See that pink, those pink lines running through there? That's pretty cool. I need something really pretty. That is definitely a jasper. Tell by the way it's broke out. Hope y'all can see this. Hey, there's a good one. It's hard to tell with these skins on it. I don't know if that shines through or not. Yeah, if it's shining through right here, then it has to be shining through in the camera. I'm going to start getting bigger. There's another one of them pieces. It's not too good though. You know how it is. The pretty stuff's always going to be in here. It's a piece of that iron. I'd love to find something to do with that stuff. I just don't see it happening. That one's going to be pretty. Yeah. Oh, there's some stripes. Oh yeah, there's lots of beautiful shape in that. Kind of looks like it's fractured, but it's not. It's water lines. Now I do see some running in here. I don't know if that's blurred out or coming in for y'all. There's no way for me to see. The sun is blinding me. Yeah, fracture. I'm not gonna keep that one. I've got to start being more selective. That's nice. Real nice. Oh yeah, look at that. I really like that. That's gonna be pretty. It's nice and solid. No cracks. I don't know if that's definitely a keeper. Let me look at it. Yeah, that's definitely gonna keep that one. It's got all the pretty stuff in it. I just gotta take good stuff. I don't have the room for cracked up pretty rocks. See how big that is? Man, that would be such a beautiful carving. It's so big. That would make a beautiful carving. It's just so many fractures in it. But you can find them here where they're like that and just completely solid. No fractures at all. There's a piece of jasper. It's not that good though. Ooh, that's nice. It's blue. That is a nice piece too. I just wish it wasn't. Man, it's got some nice movement inside of it. But it's just all, I know it's going to happen to it. I've done it before. It's going to fall apart when you start trying to work it. And that's what I'm looking for, is stone to work. Let me go look at this real quick. I don't like to miss little areas like this, because a lot of times people walk by these so they don't get really hounded well. It's really early. Okay, I think I like that one. I don't know if you can see those little dots. I think that stuff's gonna polish up something nice. And if it don't, I'll have a lot of it to get rid of. Whoop, look at that red. Now you can't miss that. That is flat beautiful. Look at that. Man, I'm glad I seen that. I told you you could find nice stuff on these sides. That is a nice piece. Good size. Definitely going home. I can't put rocks in my pockets because I didn't wear my belt. Let me check this out real quick before I start looking anywhere else. Usually if I find one good piece, there's more. Don't know why, but don't question it. It's just the way it works. I'd love to find a nice piece of petrified wood. I don't know why that is such a thing for me, but it is. Nope. Huh. That looks like rust stains. It is. It's iron. That stuff can fool you sometimes. Oh, there's a pretty one. Oh yeah. It's got a big crack in it. I'll keep that. That is beautiful. That's gonna polish up real nice. I've worked this before. Okay, let me go slow. Sometimes the ugliest rocks have the best stuff on them or in them. Not those, but we shall keep looking. I want to look up here. Got enough of that. Uh-oh. Look at the orange running through that. That's amazing. Already got me one of them. Get back out here to this middle. Scan it. I didn't make my way back up. There you go. I think I picked this up a while ago. I did. See, that's what I do. I'll find something, then I'll put it down where I found it, find it again. I believe I picked that one up too. I did. Never hurts to look again. I need to get in the sunlight. Try to get warm. Actually, the water is, I guess because it's from the rain, the water is actually warmer than the breeze that's blowing on me. Okay, now need something here. Because I'm gonna tell you, it came down last night so heavy. Now that radar can see everything, it's like every time you hear thunder or lightning, you're gonna have rotation. So they're issuing warnings. It gets everybody scared. They cancel stuff and shut down. And boy, they didn't used to shut schools so easy when I was growing up. We would have loved that. Shut the school for rain. Who ever heard of such? Look how pretty and white that is. You can see right through that. It's just crystal. Nothing like a pretty rock. I see sparkles coming out of this one. Check this out. Yeah, it's full of... Oh, look at the crystals. Wow. I don't know if that's coming through. Right there by my thumb, it's like big structured crystals. Don't think I've ever seen one quite like this before. See all the structure in it and the movement. It's hard to see that white on white. I'm actually going to take this and I want to stand right here because I don't want to lose this spot. I see some more stuff. I need to put some stuff in my backpack. So give me just 1 second to unload what I got. I definitely want to keep this big one with the crystals in it. Never seen it like that down here, where you got those big crystal structures coming out of a white rock. Alright, don't want to lose my knife. Okay. Get my backpack on. I want to see this. Yep, I like that. I am not sure how well this stuff comes in for y'all until I get home, and usually seems like everything's been pretty good. So I'm gonna try to stop complaining so much. That's what I notice most about me when I'm watching my video. I'm gonna enjoy myself. Well, that was a good crystal I found. That's a nice movement in that, in the darkness inside. Alright now, that was one good one. It's definitely coming down. See how that's barely running anymore? When I first got here, that was flowing pretty heavy. So I'll be able to walk through here easier now. There's another piece of that white. That could actually be that Alabama marble. Well, there's some crystals again. It's strange to find that and then turn around and find another one. Such a nice solid piece. That joker's heavy. But yeah, I think that's marble. White marble. See, I done got spoiled. This water is usually so clear you can see right through it. And I'm just gonna have to wait for it to go down. And that will not be today. I've got a lot of stuff to do. I just wanted to get down here and see what I could find after a good rain like that. And I knew it was flashing because I watched it fill up the ponds by my house across the street, and they are absolutely full, and they were almost empty. We needed it bad. It kind of looks purple. Don't quite know what that is. I like these because I know how it's going to look when it's cut. That black comes out so nice just when you cut it. See how it's got all those designs in there, but when you cut it, it's black like that, like glass. And keep it. I have to use my pocket. It's gonna make me look a little bit different too, that I found that one with those structured crystals in it. That's a piece of that wood. You can see all the chalcedony running through it. And it feels kind of light. I'm gonna keep this just to cut it. Now I see that joker is flat shining through. I see something in it. I see another one right here too. Look at that. I don't know if that helps or not, because I can see through that joker without even doing it. It's just according on which way that light's hitting it. And there's no fractures in that. But I do see some movement in it. That's not a fracture. I think I'm gonna leave that one. I've got so much stuff like that. Until I either get rid of it or start working it, I've got to leave it. Look at the lines moving in that. That's that stuff that really is amazing. I'm gonna wash that off and look at it better. Look at that. It's hard to see I got to keep that one. It has got the most beautiful yellow, or like a light cream running through it. I will keep this, because that's going to be beautiful. I really like the structure in that. I found that right there. Look at the sparkles all over this one. Oh, like another musket ball. We are right here on the Alabama River and down from a old fort. So there's no telling what you can find down here, like musket balls and different old things. Because I know guys hadn't changed. We were shooting at stuff the minute we could. So they should literally be everywhere. Well, that's nice. Wow. Okay, let me rinse this off. Look at the movement in that. Wow, I hope y'all can see that. That is beautiful. I don't know what that's going to look like or how it's going to turn out, but it's got too much going on for me to not take it. All right, I'm gonna have to do a backpack because my pants are coming down. Give me just a second here. Empty my pockets. It's a beautiful day. I can't wait till everything turns back green. Just dreary, brown mess. Let me get these big rocks out of my side pocket. Okay. Getting pretty good at this. All right. Now, I'm gonna get back up here where I was finding that stuff. I go wet something and I leave my spot. There's that iron. All right. That might be nice. It's just too cracked up. I'm backtracking. See my own footprints. Wanted to get up into this. There's some structure in this. No. That one. No. It's amazing how everything has something. And my backpack would have been half full a year ago. And I've got the rocks to prove it at home. Kind of like that. Just not enough for me today. That's interesting. Not that good. Nope, it's already a cab. The water has really come down. Good deal. Let me look in here a little bit before I make a move. It's strange because I'll start here usually and I'll move down that way. And then after I end my video, I come back this way. And you would believe that I find a lot of stuff right here. This is the main channel. And it always shifts. Let me look right here. I've already picked that up. I am so bad about that. Finding the same thing over and over and over. There's that red. You see just a little bit and that would be a heart for somebody's challenge. I believe got enough of that. I'll leave that for somebody else to get excited over. Sometimes this stuff can be prettier on the ground than in your hand. Don't know what this stuff is, but it's like black on black. I'll show you a prettier one when I find it. I noticed in watching my videos, I had a deaf cousin growing up, and I was so used to showing her things and we would go on adventures and stuff that I noticed when you watch my videos without sound, I'm talking to her. It's really strange. I didn't know I was doing it and I did not recognize it. And I looked up one night, I was sitting there working on my stuff and looked up at my hands because I had it on silent and seen me talking to her with my hands. We'd made up our own little, ooh, that's pretty. We'd made up our own little language as kids. And then as we grew up, we learned sign language, but we mixed the two to where we could sit in a room full of people and have a discussion across the room and nobody would know what we were talking about. And you know how it is when you're a kid, that's just amazing. All right, I like that. Hope y'all can see them beautiful little spots in there. That makes me like that. And if not, you'll see it because I'm going to do a show that I love to do. Well, that was full of goodness. Might not be able to tell, but that joker's got a lot of calcedin in it. Haven't quite figured out what to call that yet. I'm going to keep it. I believe, yes. I will keep it. And I learned my lesson about cleaning rocks. Do not do it without a mask. I thought I had it all figured out because the wind was blowing a different way, and I poured that acid on them rocks, and man, it made a big old cloud, and the wind shifted, and all of a sudden I done breathed in a cloud of acid. And you talk about a panic, because it just happened real quick. So I definitely learned my lesson. You put that mask on no matter what the wind says or does. I'll keep that. Look at them spots. Hope y'all can see it. But yeah, burned my eyes. Definitely burned the top of my lungs. When I felt it go in my mouth, I pushed out real quick. So it was just that flash of a second that got me. And I'll keep that. That's gonna be beautiful, shined up. Oh, look at that agate right there. Definitely keep. Oh, they're all in it. Okay, I'll keep that one. Cool. That's a good one. I always say that it's like catching a fish. You get a good one, you get excited. When you put it up, you start over. Let me see how long I've been on here. 51 minutes. Okay, I'm going to stop this. I'm going to go over and find me another spot that's full of rocks. If I can't restart it, then it'll be a part 2. Y'all be blessed. Hopefully I'll be able to restart this and we can continue.